Thank you all for being here. The number one concern by far when I speak with school districts and administrators across my district is the electric school bus mandate. It is creating a lot of concern and consternation. Right now, this program, this mandate is woefully underfunded to the tune of multiple billions of dollars. Some school districts are looking at multi-million-dollar changes to electric infrastructure. So right now, we're looking at being forced, because we also have votes that are going down, right? You have voters in districts that have voted down the purchase of these electric school buses, even when they've gone to really good measures to try to educate them on these buses. So my first question is, what is going to happen to those school districts? Will there be punishment if they're not able to execute and meet these mandates?
Jason?
We share your concern about the financial impact of this. As the state education department, we're not the lead in implementing that, but we have been trying to provide as much support as we can to districts, and we're hearing the same thing as you are. So
yeah,
no argument there. But
I would like, I guess, some really some vocal opposition from you all, because you see this, because now they're going to have to start choosing between providing critical educational services, including meals for our kids, health care, the mental health support, so that they can meet this ridiculous boondoggle mandate. I mean, we're going to have to lay off teachers. You're going to have to do things that have nothing to do with education to meet what is a virtue signaling mandate. So I would like to see at least this being expressed. In the dollars and cents of it, by the way, you have the ability to lay out very clearly what it's really going to cost. Just the cost of the difference between a gas school bus and an electric school bus across the state is about $8 billion, not to mention multiple billions in infrastructure that's needed. And we don't know these things are safe and reliable. Why not push for a pilot program?
So, Senator, just to your point, so earlier this school year, I believe in late fall, the department issued a report based on information that we had done collecting from the field broadly about their implementation that's either currently underway or plans for moving forward. We know, to your point, that there's only, right now in the state, I think it's 54 districts who indicated to us out of about 600 that responded to the survey that they have zero-emission buses that are in their fleet and out operating by the end of the current school year. That number is anticipated to grow over the next couple of years. But I think one of the big areas of concern that we've heard from folks in particular is just having a capture of those costs and what the impact will be. Correct. The need for studies, both individual districts as well as looking at things from a regional perspective through the work that some of our
So you support doing a study, rural,
the study
urban,
is
suburban.
critical, and being able to provide support for those studies to be done is going to be essential.
Thank you. I'm glad to hear you say that. Thank you very much.